As we look at artificial intelligence and prompting and the evolution of it, one of the great places we can see what we'll be able to make is at aistudios.google.com. So, in this, we have a sidebar. We'll start at starter apps, specifically explain things with lots of tiny cats. And in this, we've created an app that will explain any content with the metaphor of lots of tiny cats. So we've got examples that we could run, but I'm going to ask, explain how the stock market works. And as I hit enter, it's going to generate images of lots of tiny cats with examples and an explanation of it. And we can come down and see, how does the stock market work? All AI generated. So we're going to imagine a big room filled with tiny, fluffy cats. These cats represent tiny parts of big companies. We'll call them cat shares. People can buy and sell these cat shares. It's like a big kitty swap meet. If a company like a catnip toy maker is doing great, its cat shares become popular. More people want these specific fluffy cats, so the prices go up. Meowvelous. If a company isn't doing well, maybe their tuna treats are soggy, nobody wants those cats. Then the price of those sad little cat shares goes down. The stock market is just this big room with lots of cat shares going up and down in price. People hope their cat shares will become more valuable over time, more perfects. It can be a bit like predicting which cats will be the most playful. So, the stock market is where tiny pieces of companies, our cat shares, are bought and sold. The price of these shares go up and down depending on how well the companies and their cats are doing. It's a fun and sometimes unpredictable game with lots of potential. So we can see that AI really takes this metaphor and brings it to a new level. We've got great graphics, can help explain these concepts. And using something like explain things with lots of tiny cats is just the next step of what we see with artificial intelligence.